white tea. Also I put a profile with my faces with my cat. So wait, let me go to take my cat a little bit. Okay guys, so this is my cat. Actually, she's a black cat. Her name is Nyang Nyang. Okay, so when I am post a last old profile, I just post my face with my black cat. Oh, okay. Let me tell her a little bit. Oh my god, I'm not supposed to put the. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, ooh, wait. Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god, sorry. I was recording. No. I mean recording. Anyways, can we talk later? Okay, so I am talk that. Yeah, come back right here now. And also guys, I'm not good at English a lot. Yeah, just trying to talk. I am wanting you to what? Can talk something new. Anyways guys, so I think in Adopt Me I am going to wearing this when I am recording. Okay, so that's what I do. And if in another video I am going to wearing different in my avatar. Okay, so let me go right now. So when I play another game, I'm going to wear this because I don't have Robux. Okay, so that's why. Oh my god. Also, I don't have Robux really. And I hope you guys going to subscribe my channel Nora Crystal, okay? Here, and also say something in the comment section down below. When I'm going to up to a lot of more subscribers, I am going to giving away you guys 4 egg or 2 egg for you guys. So make sure to click the subscribe button. Also like thumb. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go take my cat back. Okay, actually the profile I changes only a few days ago. I mean not a few days, 2 days ago or a days ago. So I am changing my profile to this hat. This girl have a blue hair with something in eyes. Yeah. And also something perfect about her that she was with me, that I draw it myself, but please calm down. But my best friend Vanya, she helped me to doing this, helped me to color this in Irish paint. She teach me how to use it, so now she helped me a lot. So I think I'm thankful for her too. Yeah, if not her, I think this profile is not look good, right? Can you doing something happy for everyone? Just like do it like this. Is your first thing to do. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, right now we are in Adopt Me, and I am going to doing something kind of fun. I'm going to doing a new hat that I think I know it myself. Yeah. What are you doing? Okay, so the hat is come here. Okay. So now we coming to Hot Spring right here. It's so beautiful actually. Okay, coming. Oh my god. coming up soon right here and dance it. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to dance, okay? Why I'm not falling down? Okay, it's going to falling down soon though. Okay, right now, wait, let me do it, okay. Okay, 3. Oh my god, it's so hard to do it. Okay, right now I am dancing in the water. I think everyone know it, or I don't know anything else, but I think that this hack is kind of cool too, because we're dancing on the water right here. Okay, so we're doing some cool dance like this, yeah. Okay, so this is the first hack that I know it. And let's go to the second hack that I found from the TikTok. Okay, so the second hack is wait, please. We go to the dress up, going down, go to the costume, and finding the Elsa. The Elsa outfit is going to be right here, though. Yeah, this one. Wear the Elsa outfit. And after it, you have to go in here. Yeah, put some tail or something or skirt, right? Yeah, and you're coming right here and put this car on. And after, what you have to do is such easy things. You have to sit. Okay, when you walk and then sit it. Oh my god, look, you guys see? This is how you guys do by not using a car, right? Or using motorbike or something, or using fire iPad. You guys don't have to using fire iPad. You guys just have to. Oh my god! Oh my god! You guys just have to sit, and it will be going to be going by itself. Okay, so it's going. You guys see? Again, go it, go it. Guys, see it? Oh my god! This is such a cool heart ever. Oh my god. Okay, so the next heart is I have to go back. Ta-da! You're back. So I love to be bunny. So this one my profile is going to be bunny. Bun bun bun. Okay, so right now I think especially actually we are in here. Now we're actually in here right now, and also all we have to do is take out the fly pad only. Okay, right pad can do it. Maybe, yeah. Okay, and next is take out the stroller. Yeah, take out the stroller, and then yes, and then go in here and then fly it. Okay, so I'm taking my take out my unicorn named Sugar. It's kind of so adorable too. Okay, right now we're in like this. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my, did my friend just fail or something? Oh my gosh, she did not fail. I think right pad is going to be work, but it can go to very up. Okay, we can see the bones of the dinosaur right here, and also the special thing, more is okay. I was kind of not have a good feeling. Okay, you guys have to go up. Okay, guys. Right now, we're actually in there right now. Okay, so let's get in it right now. Shall we? Okay. Oh, Ta-da! Now I'm actually finally in here. You guys see this? Oh my god! Okay. So let me go up here. I know this from TikTok. You call him Robot Kitty. Yeah. Okay, so let me doing a waterfall, but I think this is not a waterfall. Anyways, I don't wanna doing a waterfall, but if I do, it's going to be fun. Okay, 3, 2, 1, woo! Ta-da! So this is the, oh my god, it's not down yet. Okay, ta-da! So this is the our last hack that I see it because this is new too. This is new. Look. You can look around all the map by easy like this. It's better than you flying around just look. Oh my god, why does it look so small? Yeah, but but actually, I think that this is kind of the perfect thing that you can see it a lot with a big map, and also you can prank your friend that, oh my god, I am a superpower in attack me. That's how that if I this is prank that this is just a prank and said that, oh my god, this is I can walking around glitching like this, and you know what, because I have a cool magic power, that's how I do this. Oh my god, you can prank your friend or your guys are playing hide and seek. You guys can going to coming right here, so your friend can even find you. This is walking here. Oh no, where is she though? And I just said that I can see you. I can see you. Wow, I can see you talking about me. Okay, so this is all our hacks today, and then this is my picture today though. And I am going to doing this video always time that I am using wearing this is in the video. Okay guys, so if you guys enjoy my video and wanna see more fun and cool, it's not that cool. Yeah. So make sure to click the subscribe button my channel, and Nora first now going to subscribe right there. I know that but please subscribe. I am playing Among Us too, guys. Also another games is, yeah, and don't forget that I am giving away. Okay, so make sure to subscribe and like. Also say something, comment section down below that what video that I could play the game next. So you guys can say in the comment section down below that how I can see it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, I forget about this. Come here. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding, huh? Say goodbye to people right now. Bye. Can you say bye-bye to them? Why you're quiet? Say bye. See you guys in the next video.